Hello, welcome to Math Focus. We want to find the value of x from this equation. 1 over x is equal to 27 raised to power x. Let's solve. Let's multiply the exponent of both sides by 1 over x. That is 1 over s to the power of 1 over s is equal to 27 raised to power x to the power of 1 over s. Note that a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm. Here we have 1 over s to the power of 1 over s is equal to 27 raised to power x over x. This will cancel this. 1 over s raised to power 1 over s is equal to 27. But 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. 1 over s raised to power 1 over s is equal to 3 raised to power 3. Base is equal to 3 and the exponent is equal to 3. Therefore, 1 over s is equal to 3. Now let's cross multiply. 1 is equal to 3x. We are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by 3. Divided by 3, divided by 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 over 3. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. To check, the equation is 1 over s is equal to 27 raised to power x. When x is equal to 1 over 3, 1 over 1 over 3 is equal to 27 raised to power 1 over 3. The left-hand side is 3 is equal to 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3 to the power of 1 over 3. This one will cancel this. 3 is now equal to 3, which satisfies the equation at x is equal to 1 over 3. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.